Language in Mind conference. On behalf of the whole organizing team, I'll first provide you with some general information, and then I will also very briefly talk about the conference theme before we are heading to our keynote speaker, Professor Sotaro Kita. Important to note, if you have any questions, the members of the organizing team are very happy to help. And to make it easier for you to find us, we're also wearing badges saying "Ask Me." And at the registration, you all got these folders, and the folders also include a feedback sheet, and we would be very grateful if you could return the filled-in forms to the registration desk. And I also have to mention that in case of a fire alarm, you can find one fire exit here and another one right outside of the room. Now let's take a very quick look who is here today actually. So in total we have 7 great speakers and 16 poster presenters. The poster presenters are PhD students who are going to present their work. And the conference attendees are in total from 7 different universities, ranging from Birmingham to Wales and Scotland, and also one attendee from Belgium. And now some information about today's program. After the first 4 talks and also a coffee break, we will have our poster session where we will provide a free lunch. And you might have wondered why our registration form is very long, and you might have also complained about the length of it. But we did require so many information because we wanted to tailor the discussion session, which starts at 4:45 to the audience. And in this roundtable, some of your answers and statements we collected will be picked up and discussed by the speakers. Also, there will be time for your questions, which we also started to collect during the process of registration. But if you have any more questions for the speaker, there is a question box outside on the registration desk, and feel free to write down your question and put it into the box. And we also do hope that you will stay for the wine reception after the round table. As another part of our very long registration form, we also asked about the background of the attendees, as well as the methods they are currently using. Because we were wondering how multidisciplinary is going to be this conference in the end. And so this is what we've got. Most of the delegates are coming from psychology, but we also have a few linguists and people from clinical language science and computer science. And when it comes to the question what methodology the people are currently using, these are the answers. Looking at reaction times is very popular, but also eye tracking is a very popular method. Then we have other behavioral methods, EEG and ERP, qualitative, and people are also doing fMRI. So well, I wish you all a very informative and fruitful conference with a lot of input to take home and the opportunity to exchange knowledge across disciplines.